Okay, so this is how you need to post a pin to get the biggest ROI on that pin. So number one, you need to follow the instructions on the previous video I did on finding those keywords that people are actually looking for right now, not just keywords that have volume, right? Trending plus volume is what you're looking for. Then you're going to put those words in the description. The description is what you are looking for, right? Put them in the description. According to Pinterest, that's the content that they're using to find your pin. They specifically said description. So make sure that's packed full in your description. Highly recommend that you add the key word that you really want to rank for in the subject line. And then the tags are categories. So you want to make sure that you know what category your business falls under. And you can kind of search that in, if you pretend to do an ad, all those categories will come up and you can kind of see where you fit. And sometimes it's tricky, but make sure that if you can put yourself in a category, you're going to get a lot more traction because you're going to show up in those categories on Pinterest. So that is an important thing. And then you want to make sure, obviously, that you have an amazing pin. Here's the thing. When you pin this pin, there's no do-over. There's no way that, and deleting it's not going to do anything either. So it's either going to perform or it's not going to perform. That's why you got to stay on top of the trends, right? That's why you got to post around trends and make sure that you know what people are searching for throughout the seasons. So